Are you a freelancer or someone who is struggling to find the right client that match your skills and personality? So in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can use DeepSeek to look for the right client that is tailored to your skills, match everything you have, so you can go ahead and use this step by step. I'll be showing you in this video to look for the right client for yourself. So before we get started, before I break down to you step by step the strategy you can use to look for the right clients, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, as I make videos on how you can make money online, how you can make use of free tools that you don't have to go ahead and make payment for. So I also share videos on different finance videos and also tech videos. So you can go ahead right now and subscribe, and you can also comment what video should I do for you as a freelancer or someone who is looking for the legit and real website to make money from. So right here, let me show you step by step on how you can use this AI to find clients. So the first is the problem of each of us right here is problem of looking for the right clients. You'll be searching for clients only to realize that this client you are talking to does not value your skills, and you end up wasting your time, you end up wasting your resources. You'll be frustrated actually, because you actually go ahead and looking for a restaurant, you look for a restaurant beside me and go ahead and start pitching to them. So these are not the right people you pitch to. There is a step you have to follow, and I'm going to show you guys a format that you need to follow. So you don't have to go ahead and start for restaurants near me as a freelancer. Let's say you are a graphic designer, so you search for something like this and go ahead and start pitching to them. These are not the right clients that match up to your skills. You need step by step a guide, a format, and how you can also send that cold mail or cold message to them, so they can use this to attract them to yourself, and they also value your skills using this. So the first thing I talk about is that the problem of searching for the right clients. So right now I will be introducing this AI on how you can use this actually to look for the right client that match up with your skills. So we all know what this AI is about, is that this is actually the same thing as ChatGPT, but this right here is updated one that can go ahead and tailor the right client to you. So the first step we'll be going ahead is for you going ahead on ChatGPT. Let's say I'm a web developer, so you are going to write I am a web. Okay, I type I am a web developer with 5 years of experience specializing in e-commerce websites, and I prefer working with startup. Without sending this prompt out, we already know that the list of the people I want to work with specifically is startups. So inputting my skills will actually make this AI go ahead and also give an analysis of my data. It should analyze my profile, understand what I'm looking for. So you're a freelancer, you just go ahead and look for the next company beside you near you and start pitching to them without you understanding your own profile that matches the other startup, other brand. You are not even specific about what you are looking for. So using this AI will actually help you out. So right now I wrote I'm a web developer with 5 years experience specializing in e-commerce websites. I'm very specific about that, and I prefer working with startup. So if I go ahead and click on enter button right now, so let's see what DeepSeek will show to us. So for someone who have this skill of web developing, so from DeepSeek, here are the suggestion from this skill that you need a portfolio as a freelancer or someone who is a web developer who does not have a portfolio to showcase to your right client is not ready for business. So go ahead and create your portfolio, and there are free platforms that you can go ahead and build up your portfolio. So where you showcase your e-commerce, the previous one you have done, to your new clients. So what again is for you leveraging your startup experience. You have to showcase that you are a problem solving. You also show you are a problem that you are here to solve their problem. So you also make sure you stay ahead of trend. This is where you actually explore different trend on e-commerce, so on web application, and also on AI driven tools. So right here, also build up your personal brand. So as someone who have a personal brand of a web developer, you need to have a social media presence where you share your work experience and others, and also explore freelancing and consulting. So you are a freelancer, you don't have to be, you can go ahead and use a platform like Upwork, Fiverr to look for e-commerce projects where you can go ahead and grow a little by little. So right here is a suggestion from DeepSeek, so you can go ahead and grow your edge. So having all this here with suggestion, you actually give you an edge in looking for the right client. So the next one I'll be showing you, which is the most important one, where I'll show you on how you can generate the list of clients that you can go ahead and target and showcase your skills. And if you showcase your skills to 100% with this style, step by step, I'm going to show you, I'm very sure over 80% of success will be to you. So let me show you the prompts you are going to use to generate the list of the right client. And before I go ahead and show you guys the prompt and how you can search for the target client for your skill, so you need to update your profile. So what I mean is that you don't have to type out. This is very easy to type. And the truth is that I'm a web developer with 5 years. I will show you the prompt of how you need to write it on this page, and this will help you to seek out for the right client. So let me go ahead and type out this prompt. Okay, this prompt right here is what we are going to use to set up our profile and also to match with our clients who also align with our skills and personality. So I wrote here is I am a, so you mention your role, which you can be a graphic designer, you can be a writer, you can also be a developer with your years of experience. So you write your years of experience right here, and you write my skills include, so you list your top skills. So the skills you are very sure you are good at. So you list up the top skills right here, and you said I enjoy working with. So type of client you enjoy working with. So you are someone who would like to work with a startup or non-profit organization or friendly brand, or you can even go ahead to a local brand where you can actually use as a web developer that will bring them to, that will give them a social media presence. So these are type of clients that you can go ahead and target. Because, so you mentioned the reason why you are passionate, which means you are passionate why you want to help them. So why you are passionate about their business, about their brand, about their company. So you also mentioned the reason, and you mentioned you are looking for the client who have these specific qualities. Okay, in this client, maybe they are the new company, innovation, collaboration, creativity company, or just mention a specific qualities of value of the company. And again, you type, please match me with the client who align with these skills and personality. So DeepSeek will go ahead and list the different category of business that you can reach out to. So when you reach out to them, you pitch your message, and what prompt are you going to use to pitch them right here. So let me go ahead and show you on how you can do this and use this format, or you can go ahead and edit it to your taste. So I'll be pasting each prompt in my description box, which you can also use for yourself, and you can go ahead and edit it also, like I said. So if you are reaching out to them in a cold email format, so this is self-promotion prompts you can use for yourself. So you can say, hi, you mention the client's name. And firstly and first ones, as the freelancer, make sure you go ahead and make research about the clients. Make sure you use their first name to message them. Okay, hi, client, you mention the name. You mention your own name, mention your own role and years of experience, and also your niche. You specify the type of skills and services you offered, and also the client that you have helped. You have mentioned the relevant achievement. If you have a portfolio, this is where you put out your portfolio link or your portfolio page. And you also you mention why you are talking to them. Okay, I came across your business, so I will notice you mention the problem and also mention the services you offer and how you can help them to solve a problem or how you can help them to achieve a problem. So you can mention, let's start about how I can add value to your team. So this is if you are sending message or you are trying to reach out to them. So this is a compelling self-introduction prompt that you can use. So for someone who is sending a cold email format for the first time, and the subject line that you can use, you can also use this my prompt right here. So this is the cold email format that you can use to land clients. So you see, okay, let's say you are trying to reach out to a client via the mail, and there is a code email format that can work. So subject, you can make use of this also, which says helping clients, let you mention the company name, to achieve a specific goal. So if you're also talking about solving their problem, you can also mention it. So doing a good subject line will actually give you a high percentage of opening that mail. So this is what they call click. So this will assist you with subject line. Make use of a good subject line, and this will assist you in helping your client to read your mail. So the email body can be this, which says, I mention the client's name. I hope this email find you well. My name is so. I am in your role. So you mention the years of experience, your niche, like I said before, and you also mention the skills that you are specialized or service you offered, and mention the client that you have helped or achieved a goal before. So you can drop your link to your portfolio. Like I said, you said, okay, you notice this is so problem in their company, so and you would like to help them to achieve the goal or solve the problem, and you can mention how you can help them in brief, and how this can also make them to grow. So whenever you are putting a subject or in your body, make sure you are using a percentage in your body of mail. So whenever you say, okay, for this whole company, we notice you guys are losing customer, and right here we introduce you a new skill, a new innovation that you can use that will grow your customer to over 20% of the previous one, which means you want to grow their company additional 20% of the existing customer they have before. So this right here will trigger a client who value your skills and also matches your personality to want to do business with you. So this is how you can add value, and this code email right here is what you can send, and you can also do a follow-up email using this style to check up on each client. And sending too much mail can actually miss a spam. So send a mail after 3 days. Make sure you put like a few days in between before sending any other follow-up email. So guys, this is how you do a cold email to your clients. So you may say, okay, how does DeepSeek help you to achieve or look for the right client? So instead of looking for the specific clients you want to search for, you want to talk to, so before you go ahead, just randomly type a company name and you start pitching up your skills. So using DeepSeek your AI will actually save you time. We also give you the best fit clients, where you mention your profile, you mention what you are into, you mention your role, your years of experience, and DeepSeek will go ahead with the format I provided. We provide you the type of client you have to go ahead and pitch your skills and service to. So this is what will help you as a freelancer in 2025. You use AI to advantage yourself. So you use it to edge over other freelancer who is here to start using AI to their advantage. So this is what you can use to find the right client yourself. So if you are ready as a freelancer today, start using DeepSeek as your way to target the right clients to your services and to your skill. So if you gain value from this video, make sure you go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and also comment how to find client, and you can also go ahead and share this video with your freelancer friends, or if you have a